this is Jim Ed with the Improvement Channel. I'm here with Nick the Body Man, and we're going to do what, Nick?
Pop this dent out and pop the one out on the front fender.
All right, let's check it out.
See, we already got a few little cracks in your paint already, so it might crack up a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, smell the plastic, no? Put the heat there. Yeah, get that off already. What? Just when I hold it out to cool it down.
You will spray it on there.
And that's it. Go ahead.
Spray it all.
Yeah. Now real.
Just a little bit more higher up.
No, we space up.
A little more higher up.
A little more heat there.
Get too hot.
We gotta cool it. Let it sit for a few minutes. Once the plastic gets cold, it shrinks. That's gonna shrink up a lot more than what it is. What that is the Formula 1 wax. It's got a little bit of adhesive in it. It's kind of like something like what you rub on your bones. It gets like cold. So it's like let that sit on there for a couple hours, and that'll shrink up the plastic a lot more. And the problems with it coming off, it wipes right off. Looks a lot better.
That's great. We did plastic on the last one. Now you're going to show us how to do metal.
Yes, sir. We got a little bit of, right here we got a crease line. We're gonna have to press that out again without hurting the paint. We'll have looking about 95% better. Yeah, I need that little screwdriver too to hook up to the line.
following.
Yeah.
Start on the other one.
Yeah.
Okay, so I want to show you the bumper. Here's the good side. Here's the side that was worked on. If you remember, it was pushed in from this edge, pushed way in. So still a little bit of a dent there. I'd say it's about 95% fixed. I am extremely happy, very, very, very happy with that. I'm even more happy with what we've got right up here. The ding is almost gone completely. And an even better job on the big dent. I mean, it was on this crease, and there's a couple little spots on the crease still. I mean, my goodness, that is so nice. Thank you so much, Nick. If you guys live on the east side of Dallas or somewhere in the Dallas area, Rockwall, Forney, Terrell, and need some help with something like this, just shoot me an email. I'll get you in touch with Nick, so Nick can come out to right out to your work or whatever and get this stuff fixed up for you too for a very good price. I'm very happy with what I paid for that. Thanks, Nick. See you next time on the Improvement Channel.